everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever looked in the mirror and wished for a brighter, whiter smile, you're in the right place. Today, I'm spilling the secrets, my top 3 teeth whitening hacks that will have you saying goodbye to yellow teeth for good. But before we dive in, let's talk about the DIY methods versus professional treatments, long-term whitening strategies, and debunk some common myths you might have heard. Ready? Let's go. So, first up, should you go the DIY route or invest in professional treatments? Let's break it down. DIY methods like baking soda, hydrogen peroxide rinses, and activated charcoal are super popular, and they can help remove surface stains. But the downside? They can also be abrasive or cause sensitivity if overused. On the other hand, professional whitening treatments, whether it's in-office laser whitening or take-home custom trays, offer faster and longer-lasting results. But they can be pricey, often ranging from $200 to over $1,000. So, if you're on a budget, DIY might be a good start, but for deep stains or long-term results, professional treatments are the way to go. Now let's talk about how to keep your teeth white after you've brightened them up. Because trust me, whitening is only half the battle. Tip number 1, limit stain-causing foods and drinks like coffee, tea, and red wine. Or if you can't live without them, try drinking through a straw to minimize contact with your teeth. Tip number 2, brush with a whitening toothpaste that contains fluoride. It helps remove surface stains and strengthens enamel to prevent future yellowing. Tip number 3, chew sugar-free gum after meals. It stimulates saliva production, which naturally cleanse your teeth. Simple, right? All right, let's bust some common teeth whitening myths because there's a lot of misinformation out there. False. While lemon juice is acidic and might seem like it removes stains, it actually erodes your enamel over time, making your teeth more yellow. Avoid this at all costs. Not quite. Whitening toothpaste can help with surface stains, but it won't change the actual color of your teeth. Professional treatments penetrate deeper for real whitening power. I wish, but nope, your teeth will naturally pick up stains over time, so maintenance is key. Regular touch-ups with whitening products or treatments are necessary. So there you have it, my top 3 teeth whitening secrets. Whether you go DIY or professional, these tips will help you get and maintain a bright smile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more smile-boosting tips. Drop a comment below. What's your go-to teeth whitening trick? I'd love to hear it. See you next time.